If you're thinking about trying Brizy AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Especially if you want to save time, money, and avoid making the same mistakes I did with other so-called AI builders. By the way, you can try Brizy AI completely free using the first link in the description. No credit card required. But before you jump in, keep watching because there's something surprising about how it works that you'll want to know before even creating your first project. Let's start with what makes Brizy AI stand out. This isn't just another AI website builder. Brizy AI has taken their already popular drag-and-drop platform and integrated generative AI directly into the workflow. That means you can generate entire landing pages, copy, layouts, and even SEO meta tags with just a few prompts. It feels like having a copywriter and designer built into your dashboard. But here's the first thing most people miss. Brizy AI works best when you know what you're selling. It's not magic. The more context you give it, like your business type, audience, and desired outcome, the better your output will be. If you're just typing, "make me a website," you'll get something generic. Second, speed. Brizy AI is shockingly fast. You can go from idea to publish ready in under 30 minutes, and that's not fluff. I tested it with a fictional brand and got a full layout with structured content, headlines, and CTAs ready to go. For marketers, this is a dream for rapid prototyping. Third, customization is still king. Unlike other AI builders that give you a locked-in template, Brizy lets you edit everything. Want to swap out sections, add custom code, change the entire vibe? Done. It's all within your control. And if you've used Brizy before, the AI layer doesn't take away your creative power. It enhances it. Fourth, the AI can generate text with SEO in mind, which is rare. You can actually specify a keyword, and it'll build headlines and meta descriptions tailored to that phrase. For content creators, that's a massive win. Fifth, it plays well with others. Brizy AI integrates with tools like WordPress, Zapier, MailChimp, and more. So if you're building funnels, email lists, or using CRMs, you're covered. Sixth, and this one's big, you can generate different page variations with a single click. That means instant A/B testing without starting from scratch. It's built for marketers who actually want to improve conversions, not just throw up a pretty site. And seventh, pricing. While it's new, the free plan is surprisingly generous. You can build full pages and test the AI without paying a cent. But fair warning, once you see how fast it works, it's very tempting to upgrade just to unlock all the integrations and export features. So, is Brizy AI the best just released AI software for website creation right now? From what I've tested, it's definitely in the top tier. If you're someone who builds landing pages, sells offers, or needs fast, editable results, Brizy AI is a serious contender. Again, you can try it completely free from the first link below. And if you're curious what other AI tools I personally recommend, after testing thousands, I've listed those in the description too. Definitely check them out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Brizy AI.